Hey there! Today, I will be sharing a delicious bread snack recipe that's cheesy on the inside and crispy on the outside. It's super easy to make, so let's get started. Mix 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of green chutney in a bowl. And set it aside. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Add 1 large chopped onion to it. Salt to taste. Add minced chicken. Cover and cook the chicken for 6 to 7 minutes. A 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. A 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of chicken masala. A 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Add a chopped tomato. Chopped capsicum. Chopped coriander leaves. Now the chicken fillings is ready. I'm going to flatten the bread using a rolling pin. Spread mayonnaise evenly on the bread. Spread the mayonnaise and chutney mixture evenly over the bread. Spread a layer of ketchup over the mayonnaise and chutney mixture as well. Place the chicken filling diagonally across the bread. Add some grated mozzarella cheese. Fold the opposite corner of the bread over the filling and secure it with a toothpick to seal it. I've prepared a mixture of oil and chili flakes. Spread this mixture evenly on the bread. Bake it in the oven or on a pan. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Enjoy the cheesy delight of this crispy snack. It's super easy to make and bursting with flavor. Give it a try and make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more tasty recipes.